In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create this SpyroFit-based abstract art in less than 5 minutes. This is how the scene looks like. Let's create a UV sphere, and type G as in George, Z as in zebra, and 1 to move the mesh 1 unit up. Let's add a SpyroFit. If you don't see the menu item, please activate an add-on called Extra Objects. Let's delete the sphere, and proportionally relocate a couple of overlapping curve parts. I'll add a solidify modifier. Let's press Ctrl 3 to subdivide the mesh in object mode, and move the subsurf modifier to the top of the modifiers list. I'll show you the materials and the point light details. Please use any environment lights available with lowered strength, because we need to have visible point light colors. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.